So we have discussed needs, and we have talked a little bit about universal needs as opposed to local or cultural needs. So now we discuss the universal human needs in detail. Are there some needs that are universal? Every human wants it. Every human needs it. So, and I think that you will agree that there are some needs that are universal, irrespective of your culture, religion, language, ethnicity. You need these things. And Abraham Maslow was the first one. There are many philosophers and economists and sociologists who have tackled this issue of universal human needs. And Abraham Maslow was the first, one of the first, and his hierarchy of needs is one of the most popular. I think you must have seen this pyramid. As you can see, it starts at the bottom with physiological needs, so needs of your body. So it will be food, water, sleep, and then we move on to safety, which includes physical, emotional, and financial. And then we move to love and belonging needs, which include family and friendships. The fourth one is needs of esteem. So this means recognition, status. So we want our society to, or our group to respect us, to recognize our accomplishments. And then on the top of the pyramid is the self-actualization. And self-actualization is the need which is more spiritual, that you want what God or what fate wanted it to be, the best version of yourself. And it's irrespective of your society or your group. You want to do something which is something related to your own self. So these are 5, different groups of needs which Maslow identified. And Maslow identified in a gradual fashion, that we move from physiological to safety to love and belonging to esteem and self-actualization. But recent research have come up with evidence that these needs are not one after another. These needs overlap. So we might be concerned with the physiological safety and esteem needs at the same time. And somebody who is maybe physiologically not sufficient, he may be thinking of esteem or social or self-actualization. So it depends. And then, of course, Maslow is criticized on the basis of that his needs or his hierarchy of needs was more ethnocentric. So it's based on Western countries, US and UK and other Western countries, and not really concerned about developing countries such as African countries or Latin American countries. So Maslow is criticized because of that. And another criticism of the Maslow universal need is that needs change over the lifetime. So when you are young, your needs are different. When you are middle-aged, your needs are different. When you are old, your needs are different. So needs do change over your lifetime. So we have to give importance to that aspect too. Doyle and Go came up with a different answer to the question about universal human needs. And they used 2 criteria to come up with universal human needs. They said every universal human need have to be linked or associated with either physical health or autonomy. So every universal need has to be linked with these 2. Either it would help in physical health, or it will help you to be autonomous, to be able to do things, to be able to free. So their list includes security in childhood, significant primary relationship, meaning they are by family, physical security, economic security, non-hazardous work environment, appropriate education, safe birth control, and childbearing. So what do you think of this list? Is this appropriate? For example, there is no need of marriage in this, but there is a need of birth control. And what are the differences between this list and Maslow's list? Love, which is important in the is not there, or is the love in the second list in terms of family relationships? Again, esteem and social actualization is not there. Whether it's important, think about it.